Professor.
Repeat sentence. The wheelchair lift will be upgraded this month.
There are lots of students competing for the places in computer courses. There are various approaches for plagiarism across different university departments. There will be a guest lecturer visiting the psychology department next month. There will be ample opportunities for ask questions about the presentation.
This work will be the starting point of my discussion today.
This is the third time you've asked for an extension on this project.
To improve the essay, I decided to include more direct quotes. To receive the reimbursement, you must keep the original receipts. Try to explain how your ideas are linked so that there is a logical flow.
We are delighted to have Professor Robert to join our faculty. We are not going to accept the assignment after the due day on Friday. We must all take great care when in analyzing the data. We must put great care when analyzing data. We need to hand in our assignments by the end of this week. We must hand in our assignments by the end of the week. We offer a broad range of undergraduate and postgraduate courses. We will study the following two pictures in the next lecture. We would like a first draft of the assignment by Monday. What is the most effective way of interaction between teachers and students in class? When I was in school, I had many of the same problems you have now. You can find the Student Service Center on level 1 of Home Building. You should raise your concern with the head of school. "39.5% of Californian residents don't speak English in the home."
Due to the rising demand for the courses, the university should also increase their academic
staff.
In consultation with your supervisor, your thesis is approved by the faculty committee. The university celebrated Earth Day by planting trees.
I'm glad you got here safely. I used to have a cup of coffee with milk and 1 sugar. I used to have milk and 1 sugar in a cup of coffee.
Students should take advantage of the online help system before approaching their lectures. He was constantly looking for ways to bring industry and agriculture closely together. A demonstrated ability to write clear, correct and concise English is bigotry. Globalization has been an overwhelming urban and urbanization phenomenon.
I can't attend the lecture because I have a doctor appointment. The test selected materials from all chapters in this course this semester.
Students will not be given credits for assignments submitted after the due date.
Basketball was created in 1891 by a physical instructor. All students and staff have access to printers and scanners.
Newspapers across the country have been reporting stories of the president. I don't like cheese and tomato sandwiches on white bread and orange juice. I would like a cheese and tomato sandwich on white bread with orange juice.
To answer such a complex question with a simple yes or no is absolutely impossible.
Answering this complex question with a simple yes or no is absolutely impossible. If you want to receive the reimbursement, you must submit the original receipts. Student loans for higher education are now available for international students.
I had a sandwich and milk for my breakfast.
By clicking this button, you agree with the terms and conditions of this website.
I think your watch is fast, you need to reset it.
Care needs to be taken for vulnerable groups during the periods of turmoil. Care needs to be taken for vulnerable groups in the times of something.
Please explain what the author means by sustainability. She doesn't care about anything but what is honest and true. She doesn't even care about anything but what is honest and true. The leading scientists speculate that numerous planets could support life forms. Please pass the handouts along to the rest of the people in your row. You will be informed of the results by email.
If you have problems, please contact your tutor.
Subscribe, please. To Professor